Saturated lipids have the maximum number of hydrogen atoms possible, have no double bonds in their carbon chain, and are solid at room temperature. Unsaturated lipids have one or more double bonds. Oils are examples. They are liquids at room temperature. When hydrogenated by adding more hydrogen, they become solid and saturated. Fatty acid bonding structure. Here, saturated fatty acids, and here, unsaturated fatty acids, with a double bond. The chemical process that's used to saturate unsaturated fatty acids can lead to trans fats. These have a double bond that results in a linear chain, like this. These do not form naturally, do not function well in biological systems, and are a health hazard. Here we have trans unsaturated fatty acids, trans fats. Click here to see a video on lipids. Margarine is a trans fat which was developed during World War II. Due to a milk and butter shortage, scientists took corn oil and hydrogenated it. The double bonds became single bonds and a solid was formed. Trans fats tend to stay in the bloodstream much longer than saturated or unsaturated fats. Trans fats are much more prone to arterial deposition and plaque formation. Scientists have studied whether trans fats could play a role in the following diseases and disorders: cancer, Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, obesity, liver dysfunction, and infertility. Their role remains unclear. The hydrophobic end of a soap or detergent is repelled by water but attracted to other nonpolar molecules like grease and oil. The hydrophilic end of the soap or detergent forms hydrogen bonds with water. The soap or detergent bonds with many stains, oil, grease, etc., pulls them from the surface being cleaned and into micelles in the surrounding water. The water and micelles then go down the drain along with the oil or grease, leaving the surface clean. Waxes are effective hydrophobic coatings formed by many organisms, insects, plants, humans, to ward off water. They often consist of two long fatty acids connected by oxygen-containing groups. Steroids are lipids with backbones which form rings. Here are some examples. Cholesterol is an important component of cell membranes. Male and female sex hormones, testosterone and estrogen, are also steroids. Cortisol is a stress-related hormone.